Your vendor contract may be your weakest link. Let me show you the top 3 mistakes that cost small businesses thousands every year. The truth is, most business owners don't think twice about vendor contracts until something goes wrong. And by then, it's too late to fix it. The first mistake, no clear deadlines. When delivery dates aren't written into the contract, or when there are no penalties for delays, vendors can miss deadlines without consequence. That means stalled projects, missed opportunities, and lost revenue for your business. A simple delivery schedule with accountability terms can make all the difference. The second mistake, vague payment terms. When contracts don't clearly define when and how payments are due, or what happens if there's a delay, disputes are almost guaranteed. It can choke your cash flow and strain relationships with vendors you depend on. Specificity is protection. Payment triggers, due dates, and late fees should all be clearly written. And the third mistake, no remedies if the vendor fails to perform. Without a clear remedy clause, you have no leverage when things go wrong. No refund, no replacement, no recourse. It's one of the fastest ways a small problem becomes a major legal battle. A well-drafted contract should spell out what happens when expectations aren't met and what each side can do to make it right. These aren't just minor oversights. They can sink a project, damage vendor relationships, and cost your business thousands of dollars. At the Richardson firm, we see how these mistakes turn into lawsuits and how easily they could have been avoided with the correct language from the start. That's why I help small businesses get vendor contracts right the first time. At Richardson, defending business is our business. And that defense starts long before you ever see the inside of a courtroom. If you'd like us to review your vendor contracts or create new ones that protect your businesses, let's talk. Because a strong contract isn't just paperwork, it's peace of mind.
At Richardson, defending business is our business.